Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto, and we're going to be continuing with our Crypto A to Z. And I'm going to be talking to you guys all about Gala Games, who claim that they have got blockchain games that people will really want to play. So let's get into it. Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto, and we are on a mission to help 1 million people understand cryptocurrency. So if you are one of the people that's trying to learn more about this space, then you are in the right place. So today we're continuing with our Crypto A to Z, okay? And we're going to be talking about a project called Gala Games. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you shortly. We're going to have a look at their website. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about this project, which I think is a fantastic one to keep your eye on this year. Obviously, first things first, this is not financial advice. Everything that we do here is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, let's have a look at Gala Games. Okay, so guys, this is Gala Games, okay, and the website is app.gala.games. Now, what this project claims to do is they're making blockchain games that people will actually play, but they've actually done a pretty good job already. We've seen this project since it came out absolutely explode in value. Obviously, tail end of last year, we saw a huge push in a lot of the blockchain gaming projects, and obviously with the rebranding of Facebook going to Meta, we saw a monumental rise in a lot of these type of projects. Now, obviously, since then, the market's pulled back, and a lot of people are asking the question, what is going to be the next big thing? What is going to be the sort of trend for 2022? Now, for me personally, I still think that the whole blockchain gaming sphere and also the metaverse is going to be extremely bullish, as well as NFTs. So this project, which I want to show you guys a little bit about, is something that I personally believe has got a lot of potential for this year to be a massive competitor with some of the top blockchain games out there. You take into consideration projects like Axie Infinity that was absolutely killing it last year. It's one that we brought to our inner circle early on. It's also one that we brought to our trading group where we made 283% gains in a week. It just goes to show that these type of opportunities are extremely valuable if you're able to get into them early and identify a quality project early on, which, guys, if you aren't already, you should be joining our free Discord where we share this type of information, and you guys get to speak to me and the rest of my team every Friday for our AMAs that we do at 6 p.m. UK time GMT. So coming back to Gala Games, fun first. We believe the blockchain should be invisible in our games. We use simple game mechanics that all players can enjoy, whether or not they consider themselves to be blockchain pros. It's owned by players. This is an important thing. Players get to truly own what they win in our games. So play to earn games have been absolutely huge again last year. So I don't think that that trend is going anywhere. It's still something that I'm extremely bullish on. So if you earn or win a magical sword on the Gala game platform, it is yours. So you get to keep it. It belongs to you. Your items and any inherited status is a verifiable asset on the blockchain you can trade to another person or play with in game. So if you win an item, not only can you take it into another game, but you can also sell that item to potential buyers, which is, again, an extremely attractive thing. Community rules. We don't develop games in a vacuum. We constantly engage and test assumptions with our Discord community. We build alongside a vocal community whose input shapes the direction each game's design takes. And it's powered by the people. Everything within the Gala Games network depends on the player-owned node ecosystem and I'm going to come on to those shortly. The Gala Network is supported by users just like you who operate Gala nodes from their home computers. Now, one thing that I did want to share with people, and I've spoken about a few times previously, is nodes. There is the opportunity here to actually help build the community and help support the project by actually buying and creating your own node. So these can bring a passive income, but obviously you need to make sure that the projects that you're getting involved in, if you are going to build nodes, are looking reputable, as obviously if you have a market crash and a project is not what they claim to be, it can be a pretty bad thing for you guys. So for me, Gala Games is a quality project. It's not going anywhere. I think it's going to grow from strength to strength. And the nodes as well, I'm going to come on to and show you guys now. Okay, so Gala nodes open up opportunities to receive rewards like Gala, limited edition NFTs, they're non-fungible tokens, and obviously the NFT marketplace is booming at the moment, and the chance to help the Gala Games ecosystem grow. Get a founders node today. So the Gala Network is supported by users just like you who operate Gala nodes from their home computers, as I said earlier. Basically, this can include Gala limited edition NFTs and opportunities to help the Gala Games ecosystem to grow. So you can go and buy these directly from the website. You can also learn more about them. There's plenty of information on the website. You can also check out the games. So there's a number of games here. You've got Legends Reborn, Age of Chance. So it's like a card strategy game that's currently in development. You've got Townstar that's got the beta mode out. It's like a simulation game. You've got the Walking Dead Empires. So we're talking some pretty big names when we come across to the Walking Dead. I mean, that is an absolutely huge TV series. And don't forget as well, guys, if you have been following us, you'll know that in the Sandbox, which is an open world metaverse that allows people to obviously interact with one another. You can interact with different items. You can take your own avatars in there. But we've seen huge corporations start to build their own shop fronts inside of the Sandbox, Walking Dead franchise being one of them. Then we've also got Mirandus. Now, this is a fantasy RPG game that's currently in development. There are a number of games here that really are pretty damn good. I've had a little play around. This one is one of my favorites, Echoes of Empire. So it's a strategy game and it's set in space. And, you know, it's one of those things where there's so many different opportunities that are out there in the marketplace. I try to focus less on the individual project. Obviously, you need to do your research into them, but I look at where the growth sectors are likely to be for the current time that we're in. And for me, blockchain gaming and the metaverse is definitely one of them. So another thing just to notice, guys, is the platforms as well. So a lot of these are only available on PC or Mac, but they have got applications coming on places like the App Store, the Android Store, and, you know, we're early on in terms of the development of the technology with these, and there's a lot of hoops to jump through. But nonetheless, as an opportunity for investment, which again, this is not investment advice, I'm just telling you from my perspective, I think that Gala is definitely one that you could have as part of your portfolio if you don't have any exposure to the gaming sector. So when I say that, there are other projects out there like Axie Infinity you can look at. There are lots of games, individual games that are projects that you could look at as well. And I think it's a nice addition to have to a portfolio to cover that area for you. Now, the other thing that I wanted to just come on to, guys, it's just some of the technical information that is available on CoinMarketCap, just to give you an idea of pricing, etc. So Gala's managed to get onto a number of major exchanges, so you can buy it from the likes of Binance. Gala is currently at 18 cents, down about 10% at the moment for the 24-hour. You can also interact with it on the Ethereum blockchain using MetaMask, although bear in mind that there are going to be fees associated if that's what you choose to do. I believe it's a smarter move. If you come over to market, you can see here that you can go and buy it from Coinbase or Binance or Huobi or Gate.io. These are all very well known, very respected web exchanges. KuCoin is also on there as well. But the difference is if you buy on these exchanges, you're not going to be faced with those monumental gas fees that Ethereum is renowned for. Now, the other thing, just to quickly go over, just going to go on to the overview here. I just wanted to show you on the chart, the 3-month chart. So this is the high. Okay, so this was back on the 26th of November, and the all-time high was roughly 83 cents. So when you bear in mind that it's currently at 18 cents at the moment, and have a look at this chart, how it's just been cascading down. And obviously this is down to the fact that we've had a number of pullbacks recently, but you can see here it's started to find support. Now, that leads me to believe that it's likely that it's starting to bottom out. So as an accumulation of this particular project, it looks to me like it could be a pretty good time to do so, provided obviously the market doesn't tumble any further. But if you bear that in mind, it was at 83 cents. It's currently at 18 cents, just for it to get back to its all-time high. And the likelihood is, if we're seeing the market continue to grow, we're seeing adoption continue to grow, which has been happening historically since this marketplace started, that just tells me that it's likely to be going over $1 as an individual project. And at 18 cents, that's a pretty good steal. That's a 5x for you. I class it as a medium risk opportunity. Its current position in the market is ranked number 68. Bearing that in mind, about 17,300 projects, it's in a pretty good standing, guys. So yeah, that's the roundup that I wanted to give for you. Crypto A to Z, G being Gala. And obviously, guys, as always, if you have got any questions, if you're interested in finding out more about this space, jump into our Discord. It is free. Okay, the link is in the description. Come and join. You'll get access to a wealth of information and be able to talk to myself, Dean, Alan, Paul, all the rest of the team. You can talk to us about NFTs, about portfolio construction, you name it. We're there to be able to help you. Okay, so if you've liked the video, please make sure you smash that like button, hit the notification bell. Hope you all have a fantastic day and look forward to catching up with you in the next one. Take care.